Social Science Maps. On hearing the word map, there is an immediate feeling of excitement and anticipation. Our imagination quickly pushes forth to a journey, perhaps to a distant land. Our mind conjures up images. Maps are truly magical. A map is a drawing of the earth. The first map etched on stone tablets appeared a long time ago, when man first began to explore and travel. Maps carry a lot of information about things. The word map comes from a Latin word mappo, which means napkin. Maps can show physical features like mountains and rivers, or man-made features like roads, towns, and cities. Or it can be a specific map showing Map is different from a sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing of any area. It is not accurate and simply provides a rough layout of objects, buildings, trees in a certain area. An accurate map must have three features. They are the true directions between the places, a scale representing the correct distance between the places, and a heading defining the type of map it is. Every map has four major directions. Generally, the top of the map shows the north direction, and the bottom of the map shows the south direction. Then, our right side is the east direction, and to our left is the west direction. Directions are further divided into subdirections. Subdirections lie midway between any of the two major directions. They are north-east direction. It is the direction between north and east. Then comes the north-west direction, which is between north and west. The direction between south and east is southeast direction, while the southwest direction is between south. Do you know? Compass is a navigational instrument used to determine direction. Most of the compasses are marked with the four cardinal points: north, south, east, and west. But some are marked additionally with the number of degrees in a circle. North is 0 degree, south is 180 degree, east is 90 degree, and west is 270. One cannot show on a map actual distances between two or more places, because if we did so, the size of the map would become huge. So to draw a map on a moderately sized paper, a scale is used. The scale represents the distances on a map, which correspond to the actual distances on the Earth's surface. Let us say that 1 centimeter distance on the map represents 100 kilometer distance on actual ground. For example, the distance between Delhi and Agra is actually 265 kilometers. With a map scale where 1 centimeter represents 100 kilometer, this distance can be represented as 2.65 centimeters. Have you heard about small-scale and large-scale maps? A small-scale map shows a large area with less details, while a large-scale map shows a small area with greater details. A large-scale map shows greater details than a small-scale map. GPS, or Global Positioning System, is also a satellite-based navigation system which provides location and time information in all weather situations, anywhere on or near the Earth. The GPS program provides critical capabilities of the military, civil, and commercial users around the world. In addition to this, GPS is the backbone for modernizing the global air traffic system. Maps follow a common color scheme, that is, for every object's representation on a map, there will be a specified color assigned to it. Certain signs and symbols, for example, rivers, roads, highways, railway lines, airports, church. Besides this, the signs and symbols are also used on a map for denoting railway line, national highway, hospital, and many. Do you know, world wars had a great influence on the development of maps. One who had more information about locality had an advantage on the battle. Rohit had to travel a long journey to reach the airport. He built a map to represent his journey route. Identify the different symbols used by him to illustrate the different features on his way. Here comes the first symbol. Identify what is it? Road, river. Oops! Rohit had to travel a long journey to reach the airport. He built a map to represent his journey route. Identify the different symbols used by him to illustrate the different features on his way. Here comes the first symbol. Identify what is it? Road, river. Correct answer. Identify the next place he visited on his way, temple or church. Oops, try again. Correct answer. Identify the next place he visited on his way, temple or church. Good job! Now identify the next symbol used by him on the map. Is it a river or mountains? Great job! Here comes the next symbol used by him. Is it a driving school or a hospital? Good job! The next symbol used by him is, what is it? A railway line or a bus lane? Good job! Let's see the next symbol used by him. Identify whether